Hi, my name's Adam Booth. I'm an activist with the International Marxist Tendency. I'm the editor of socialist.net and I'm the author of Understanding Marxist Capital. And I'm going to be speaking this summer at the International Marxist University on the topic of Marxism, money and inflation. Now, obviously, we're discussing this because workers across the world are facing rising prices of food, of energy, of transport, of housing. And the ruling class is also worried about this because they think they will have to raise interest rates and that could provoke a new recession. Problem is they've got no answers to this crisis. The Keynesians are actually the ones responsible in part for inflation with the deficit financing and their government stimulus. The monetarists just want to provoke a new recession by tightening the money supply, and both blame workers actually for causing inflation by demanding too much in the way of wages. These are all arguments that Marx answered long ago, and it's Marx's writings that we need to turn to if we want to understand really where inflation comes from, understand the ideas of value, of prices, of money, what role it plays under capitalism. And armed with this understanding, we can actually go about fighting inflation with bold socialist policies, overthrowing capitalism and replacing it with a socialist planned economy. That's what we're fighting for. That's what we'll be discussing this summer. I implore you to join us. Get your ticket today for the International Marxist University and join myself and thousands of others for this exciting revolutionary event.